Welcome to today's podcast, where we're discussing EON Reality's AI² Academy for Income and its role in revolutionizing education for the AI-driven economy. This groundbreaking platform combines AI-powered mentorship, XR simulations, and interactive 3D learning to help students and entrepreneurs learn 4x faster and acquire skills that are essential for today's workforce.
That's right. The AI² Academy for Income offers AI-driven personalized guidance that empowers entrepreneurs and students to develop skills in a way that was never before possible. Whether you're working on a business model, mastering robotics, or learning manufacturing processes, EON Reality's platform provides an immersive, hands-on experience that accelerates the learning process.
Exactly. One of the key aspects of the AI² Academy is its interactive simulations. Students and entrepreneurs can interact with 3D models of everything, from robotic arms to business financial projections, all while receiving real-time feedback from AI mentors. The best part? These simulations are available on any device, whether it's a tablet, smartphone, or even a VR headset, making it accessible and flexible.
And the platform doesn't just teach theory. It's about developing real-world skills. The AI-powered mentorship allows students to apply their learning immediately, whether they're learning robotics programming or business strategy development. The AI² Academy is designed to ensure that students are not only engaged, but also prepared for the future workforce.
What's truly groundbreaking is how AI² Academy provides personalized learning. The platform adapts to each student's learning style and pace, providing the right level of challenge and support. Whether you're a business entrepreneur or a healthcare professional, this program helps you gain the skills and confidence you need to thrive in a rapidly evolving job market.
Exactly. By democratizing education and providing global access to cutting-edge tools, EON Reality is helping build the workforce of tomorrow, one that's equipped with the AI-driven skills needed to succeed in the digital economy.
Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.